Hello viewers, how are you? I hope that you will be fine. So guys, today we will discuss about overview of health insurance. And first of all, we will discuss its introduction. So overview of health insurance. Many people have existing health insurance coverage and wouldn't need to buy health insurance through the marketplace. However, both insured and uninsured people may need your help understanding more about the marketplace and the application process. Your job is to help them understand the coverage options available to them through the marketplace and to help them decide which coverage option best fits their budgets and specific needs. By the end of this module, you should understand the following concept and accomplish the task below them. Key definition: define health coverage and health insurance. Importance of health coverage. Understand why health coverage is important. How health insurance work. Describe how health insurance works to provide health coverage for consumers. So, first of all, definition of health insurance. The terms health coverage and the health insurance have two distinct meanings, even though they are often used interchangeably. In this training, health coverage is defined as payment or reimbursement for health care costs that consumers are legally entitled to when enrolled in health coverage programs. Health insurance companies offer one way to consumer to get health coverage, but consumer can also get health coverage through the government program like Medicaid, the Children Health Insurance Program, and the Veterans Affairs Health Benefits Program. Health insurance is a contract that requires a health insurance or company to pay some or all of consumers' health costs in exchange for a premium. So, welcome. Overview of health insurance. In an assister, it's important to answer a wide range of questions or quickly find answer through available resources. It's likely you shall be asked a question like what is health insurance? Why is health insurance all important? Last one, how does health insurance work? Your job is to help consumer understand the coverage options available to them through the marketplace to help them decide which coverage option best fits their budget and specific needs. Let's review some let's review some answer of these questions. So first of all, health insurance can be confusing. Here's one that you can explain it to consumer. In general, insurance is a contract means to protect you financially if something bad happens that's expensive to fix or to recover from. When you have insurance, you pay a monthly amount. If there's an accident, an insurance company will cover some of the cost. Health insurance covers the coverage programs do even more. They pay for the big unexpected events, but also for some the smaller, more routine things. For example, they help with the cost if you are in the hospital and when you get a yearly checkup. Having the health insurance or coverage let you take care of small health problems as soon as you notice them rather than waiting until the problems get worse and you become really sick.